Good morning students and welcome to your GK class. And this is the first day of your term 3 GK class, isn't it? And we are going to discuss chapter 7, seed inside a hard cover. Many seeds you will see that is inside the fruit in the hard cover, okay? And those fruits are called stone fruit, especially nuts. Whether it is almond, pistachios, you will see it is under a hard cover, akroot. These things you will see in the hard cover, inside a hard cover. And these are called stone fruit. What is stone fruit? A fruit with large seed inside a hard cover is also known as a stone fruit. Till now we have studied about the parts of plant, types of plant, parts like fruit, root, seed, leaves, stem, branches, types like tree, herb, shrub. And right now we are going to study about a different type of plant, means different type of seed, which is also called stone seed. Okay, stone fruit. Because in these fruits, seeds are under a hard cover. Best example I will give you of mango or of dry fruits, nuts. Okay, you will see it's you can't crack the nuts, especially almond. You can't break the cover of the seed to take out the nut with your hand or with your teeth. You have to use something else, isn't it? Coconut also. So these type of fruit seeds are called stone fruit. A fruit with large seed inside a covering, whichever fruit is having, that fruit is called stone fruit. Now I am sharing the, see here I am describing the peach and then I will show you the peach fruit. It is very sweet, juicy fruit and edible peel, and a hard pit in the middle. Peaches vary in color from almost white to yellow and pinkish red. Peaches grow on tree in temperate climate. They need warm weather, but they also require a hard freeze in the winter to produce fruit. And you will see peaches, it looks like apple, but it is a little bit different from the apple, and color is also looking like apple. Now we will come to plum. Plum is also means similar. Apples also you see now of different colors. Some is having orange shade, some is having light shade, like that only. See, a plum is a flowering fruit tree, and it's also the name of a fruit that grows on it. Plums are small, dark, reddish purple and sweet. Plums have an edible smoothy skin, juicy flesh and a hard pit in the middle. When plums are dry, they are called prunes. Okay, see here. But it is looking like apple in the picture, but it is small in shape. Which fruit is this? Plum. And this is small in shape. Now see, an apricot is a small, soft, round fruit with yellowish orange flesh and a stone inside. Stone means that type of seed which is having hard covering. Apricot is used to describe things that are yellowish orange in color. Means apricot we describe color also. This is the picture of apricot. Now I will describe you cherry. Ripe cherries are deep red and exquisitely sweet with small edible pits. Cherry is an almost universally loved flavor. From cherry danishes, the cherry lollipops to the cherry on tops of the hot fruit sundae. Cherry is also used to describe a bright red color. So, cherry red, we call it cherry red. Here in India, cherry is usually used to make sweets and sweet dishes, cakes, to decorate, to garnish. We need cherry. And if we are in a shop, we are purchasing some clothes, we are describing the color also. Give me cherry red color. And this is very small fruits. It is sweet to taste. Next comes mango. And I don't think I need to explain it because it is our national fruit, my dear. And we all love mangoes. A mango is a sweet tropical fruit and it's also the name of the trees on which the fruit grows. Ripe mangoes are juicy, fleshy and delicious. Like peaches and plums, mangoes have an inedible pit at the center. Unlike these other fruits, the skin of mango is very tough and also inedible, means we can't eat the skin of mango. We usually peel the mango and eat the flesh of the mango. We make mango shake, we make mango ice cream, we eat mango, and mango is our national food. And in different colors also. When it is ripen, it becomes yellow, reddish, otherwise it is green. You make pickle also of mango. And in the month of May, June, July, it is found all over India. And we all love this mango. Next come lychee. The fruits are oval to round strawberry red in color and about 25 mm in diameter. The brittle outer covering encloses a translucent, white fleshy aerial and one large seed. Edible lychee fruits. Lychee also, I think all of you are understanding lychee. It is having a little bit thorny peel upside which is not edible. And this also we get in the season of mango only, isn't it? But just a little bit before mangoes it comes in the market. And in Bihar, Muzaffarpur and Bhagalpur is very rich in lychee product. Okay? Which fruit is this? Lychee. Now comes avocado. Avocado fruits have greenish or yellowish flesh with a buttery consistency and a rich nutty flavor. They are often eaten in salads and in many parts of the world they are eaten as a dessert. Mashed avocado is the principal ingredient of guacamole and a characteristic sauce in Mexican cuisine. And this is the picture of avocado. It looks like papaya. Here we get papaya in this shape only, but it is different from papaya because inside the papaya there are very small, too many small seeds. And in avocado there is only one big seed. Now next come locust fruits. Growing in clusters are oval, rounded and pear-shaped. 3 to 5 centimeters long with a smooth and browny yellow or orange, sometimes red blush skin. I am showing you the picture of locust. Okay, this also is having different color like red, yellowish, oranges. Which fruit is that? This locust. Now see here, jujube fruit are small and sweet, dried. They have a chewy texture and taste similar to dates. When raw, these fruits have a sweet apple-like flavor and can be eaten as a nutritious snack. they contain a pit with 2 seeds, which should be removed before eating. And here you can see the picture of jujubes. Now see, in that, did you know some more fruits are explained? Nectarines. And nectarines are considered the cousin of peaches. Means almost same like peaches, it is having taste, flavor, look. So it is considered as the cousin of peaches. Next come apriums, which taste like apricots, but they are not juicy. You can see the picture. Peyotes look, feel and taste much more like plums, and these are the picture. Now here you are having homework, classwork we will do question answer, but in homework you will fill all the words and you will learn it. Okay, thank you dear.